Use two coating systems, FS1, which protects the cables from fire damage, and FS5, which repairs and protects cables that have been damaged by UV, oil, mud, chemicals, water, salt and mechanical stress. This gives the cables a fire-resistant property under an oil fire. We can repair cracks in the cables to prevent water or oil ingress. The coating will restore the cable value and add fire resistance. The patented FS1 coating system has been tested on an 1100 degrees Celsius oil fire for more than 1 hour without any problem to the insulation or the electrical properties. Normal cables such as flame retardant and flame resistant cables cannot withstand such a fire, and vital cables are very often routed through high-risk areas. As we can see in this test, a short circuit has occurred in the unprotected cable after less than 2 minutes. FS1 is an intumescent coating system that will expand 100 times its thickness in high temperature, approximately starting at 220 degrees Celsius, or upon direct flame contact, ensuring that the electrical wires are shielded against the fire. Our coating systems will guarantee that your cables will function properly under such a fire and be reusable afterwards. FS1 is a water-based system that does not contain any toxic material. The IEC 331 standard cable is produced to manage only 750 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature curve of an ESO fire, which is a normal fire in a room or in a building. The red curve shows the temperature of an oil fire. This is the temperature you will have to cope with if you had such a fire. It is to these temperatures fire security has tested their. Fire security offers an on-site inspection and will focus on the following: define high-risk areas, evaluate cable routings in high-risk areas, inspect the general condition of the cables with regards to damages. When our team performs a repair and fire protection, we clean the cables using special cleaning materials or water. We offer only a turnkey operation by using our own employed personnel with worldwide experience. Our coating systems have been approved by leading international classification societies and authorities such as NMD, DNV, ABS, the US Coast Guard, UL, and Lloyd's. A typical example is what fire security have done for the Sanipa terminal in Indonesia for the oil company Total Fina Elf. The outer sheath of the cables was damaged, mainly by UV, and had a lot of cracks which led to short-circuiting and sometimes loss of production. Fire security repaired all the cracks and coated the cables without any stop in the production. We have extended the lifetime of the cables and at the same time made the cables fire resistant. Intumescent is one of the biggest cement producers in the world. At the main production plant outside of Jakarta, an underground network of tunnels connects all production units with more than 70 kilometers of cable. Intumescent made a 2-year study to compare the different methods of fire protection. CO2, water mist, and cable coating systems were all considered and tested before they chose fire security as the most suitable. The fire security cable coating system was by far the cheapest solution to install, and there are no maintenance costs. With fire security coating applied, we eliminate the risk of a potential fire starting within the cable network. Fire security has protected and upgraded the cables in Menara Mulia and other prestige office buildings for the Mulia Group in Jakarta. The owners saw the benefit of using a renowned international company to effectively protect the cables in their buildings. Advantages with the fire security coating system. Your cables can be upgraded to the highest level of fire safety. Already damaged cables can be repaired and the life expectancy can be extended. It is a very cost-effective system compared to rerouting or replacing cables, and the application does not interrupt the operation. Aging tests show the long-term benefits.